Hello students, today we are going to discuss flash drive. Flash drive is a small size portable USB storage device where we can store our data, transfer our data, delete our data from one system to another system. Like earlier you are using floppy drive. In floppy drive also you can save your data, delete your data, you can read that data. Same way flash drive also work. In CD and DVD you can read the data, but you cannot write on CD and DVD directly. You need a CD writer. So flash drives works on the principle of floppy drive. Like in floppy drive you can delete your data, save your data. Same way flash drive also work. Now students, you can see the image of flash drive. Flash drive consists of a printed circuit board, and this PCB circuit board is connected to USB controller, and this controller is connected to USB head. This USB head you can fix in the port of CPU, and this flash drive is covered with a plastic or a metal case, either a plastic or a metal case. Flash drive is also known as pen drive, thumb drive, and simply a USB drive. Because of its size, flash drive is also known as thumb drive, and it is first invented in 1998 by Dow Morrell. It is a very small, lightweight, removable data storage device. Now, flash drive works on the principle of flash memory. Now, what is flash memory? Flash memory retains the data even in the absence of power supply. Means if power supply is not there, then even your data is retained. It is stored. There is no moving parts in flash drive. Now students, come to Blu-ray disc. As you can see in the image, the CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc all are of same shape. But where the difference lies? The difference lies in the storage capacity. CD can store 700 MB, and then DVD more than the CD 4.7 GB, but Blu-ray disc can store 25 GB of data. Blu-ray is the type of disc that is used for the PlayStation 3 games and for playing a very high definition movies. Blu-ray is the successor to the DVD. Means first CD comes, then DVD comes, and after that Blu-ray disc comes. It works on the basis of blue laser. Now blue laser wavelength of blue laser is shorter than the red laser. In DVD and CD, red laser beam is used. Because wavelength of the blue laser is small, so it can store more data in small space. So Blu-ray disc just works on this principle, that the blue laser is used to read and write data in Blu-ray disc.